Hello, my friends. So we are moving ahead on the Tableau journey. Previously, in my three videos, we talk about the data connecting port, your interface on both Tableau Desktop and the Tableau public version. Right now, moving ahead on the Tableau data analytics journey. Okay, so I'm just showing my screen. Till the time, you please watch it my videos, whatever the data I've uploaded on the Tableau journey in my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to my Tableau portal, Tableau software. Yeah. In my previous video, we discussed how you can connect your data directly with the Tableau for the data analysis purpose. Okay. So my file is in the Excel format. So that's why I'm clicking it over here. If you want to add your data in the CSV file, then you have to go it in the text file. But my format is in the Excel. That's why I'm clicking it. Yeah. So my file name is the global superstore. So I'm attaching the data right now. Okay, order, people, and return. These are the subtabs in this particular file, and you can rename it this file as well here. Okay, but I don't want to rename it my file. Yeah, so this is the data. Whatever the data I have uploaded in this Tableau, the data looks like this. So here the data looks like very boring and uncluttered, unstructured, right? So in the Tableau journey, before going to the analyzation, you click it and drag it in this Canva. Yes, so the data is now fetching from this particular file. Okay, so in my previous video we discussed this is called the metadata, and this is your call the data source file. Okay, so this is called the data source. Okay, and before going to data visualization and analytics, you have to go in the sheet number 1 for the data analysis and the data visualization. Here this is the data analytics, and here this is called the data. Okay, so this is the main interface for the data visualization. We have to go there for practice. Okay, so like here this column like your city, country, customer ID, customer name. Okay, and the same is here as well. Raw data, raw ID, order day, ship date, everything. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, so whatever the data in this particular below line, that is called the measures, because the data is in the numeric format. Okay, and whatever the data is above the line, that is called your dimensions. This is because this data is in the character type, and below this line this is called your measures because the data is in this numeric value. Okay, so please keep in mind, if I click it over here like this, yeah, you can able to see this below this particular line, below the orange line, you can able to see that is called this measure, and above this particular line, that is called your dimensions. Okay, yeah. In this particular file, this is called your pages and your filters. This is called your column cell. This is called your row, and this is your, if you want to like visualize your data, then you have to make it here. You have to pick it from the color and size, your text details, everything is here. Okay, and there are 24 types of chart where you can make it in this tableau. Okay, so in this particular file, if I want to know that from which particular city the sales is higher, okay, to just and this is your numeric value, right? So first you have to take a like a, in this particular city the sales is high, you have to click it over here and drag it in this row column, because if you need to know that from where the sales is high in this particular city, then you have to put it in this row column. Yeah. So in this city that your Aishan, Allen, Alast, Ava, Avagadan, there are number of cities are, because in this particular file there are number of cities. That's why it is reflecting here. Okay. And you want to know that from which particular city the sales is high and from which region. Then you click it over here and put it in this text. Yeah. Yeah, so 3809 980 387 1605, and if I know Ava, that is in the 1604, every is on 16192, everything is in this. How easy it is, that is called the power of Tableau. And you can able to make these kind of like already we discussed that you can make it 24 types of data. If you want, if I clicking it in this bubble chart, you can make this bubble chart as well. Yeah, this is your bubble chart from this particular city. The sales is 25036. In this particular Los Angeles city, the sales is 175851. Because if sales is higher, because the circle size is little bit higher compared to others, and compared to, if I talk about, if I compare with the data in New York City, the size of the circle is higher or greater than this particular Los Angeles, because the sales in this particular city is higher compared to this Los Angeles city. The sale of this particular city depend on the size of the circle. How easy it is, you can make this type of data in your Tableau. First you have to practice it and practice it. Okay, you please watch it my videos on the Tableau. If you want to know the data, that is called your tree map. Okay, and this is your word diagram, this is your chart, everything like pie diagram. Okay, pie, if you want, this is your, yeah, yeah, Paris, New York. How the power of Tableau. Tableau works on the algorithm, because Tableau has inbuilt algorithm. That's why how the data looks like this, and your data, raw data looks like this, very boring and acting data. And in Tableau, you can able to see the data like this. Okay, this is, I'm just giving an example. This is the start basic. We are like this is, yeah, in this, from India, in city Durg, the sales was 751. In particular city Korba, the sales is 5650. Yeah, you can able to make it in the Tableau. Okay, till the time, you please watch it my videos. This is the basic and starting of the Tableau journey. Okay, so till the time, you please watch it my videos. Tab tak ke liye, tata, bye bye.